Alright, welcome to another Kenny's drumming adventure. So, this is actually Sunday at about 25 after 7. I just got done performing with fighter jets at Jack's in Canton. We opened up for the Ratchet Dolls, and I'm currently on my way to Peoria to Saffron Social. I'm a lead actor in a film, and we had to cut our set a little bit short so I could get over here. I gotta get my beard under control and my hair tied back and get my costume on and get all the accessories and run through everything. And I love filmmaking.
Turns out I don't know nothing at all. Every time I try to steal her from the blue eyes, when a while ahead of let you go. Sometimes I can't down myself and a little bit crazy. Sometimes the road doesn't fit. I love you, babe. I guess chips fall, yeah. Ride this out. The wheels fall off. Every time I think a new song is a big hit, turns out it ain't no big deal. Critics says my writing lyrics and it's plain safe. That's okay, cause I got sex appeal. Sometimes I can't do myself, and I'm really crazy. Sometimes the road looks clear. I love you, baby. Got to ride this out. Let the chips fall, yeah. Ride this out. The wheels fall off. Sometimes the road looks clear. And with you, baby, you got to ride this out. Let the chips fall, yeah. Ride this out. The wheels fall off. Ride this out. Ride this out. Ride this out. Ride this out. faces all around. Not the one of those searching through the crowd. Still I carry on knowing I can't live without you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't cry, it's alright. Hold tight, go on soon. Hanging on, goodbye gone tonight. Stars come back, just like a sun shining through the glass. I feel so like when I am all I am to you. Yeah, down inside, time to let this out. All the pain I hide, still make you about. Thank you so much.
But anyway, but last night, Saturday night, Fighter Jets, we played for Jake's uncle, Jerry. It was a celebration of life, and we thought it was just going to be us and maybe a Push to Dawn reunion. And anyway, they asked me to play drums for Push to Dawn, and I don't really know any Push to Dawn songs, so we did a couple covers, we got through, and then I butchered a lot of their originals, so it is what it is. Fighter Jets, we had a killer set, and Wolf and Gypsy showed up. So me and Jake, we got to jam with Wolf and Gypsy, and we brought Bunky from Push to Dawn in. He actually played bass for Wolf and Gypsy for a short time, so we brought him in, and it was just a good weekend.
Things will change.
But anyway, yeah, I'm heading to film set, so I will get some footage of that as well. Alright, so continuing Kenny's drumming adventure, I'm currently on set here. I'm at Saffron, and we're all waiting to, we're in our spots anyway. We're getting ready to go through all this. There's Nick over there. So, anyway, getting ready to start.
Perfect. Okay, we're cooking with gas, girls and guy. Keep it going, keep it going. All right.
And he just like this autistic kid, and he is obsessed with like the early 1900s and 20s. He like has a whole apartment that's just 100% antique, and he repairs microphones that make his music, and he like records them on YouTube and stuff with all these. It's really neat. That's what this music made me think of.
You know, the old big metal microphone. Like,
Yeah.
gives you that scratchy sound.
Yeah, with the springs on it.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
They're worth a shit.
He drives like a Model T.
So what's going on, Tyler?
He holds the
He wears clothes that are like vintage from
What's
the
You look like a
He does the thing.
the
Just
person.
people playing cards, bartender pours drinks, which is mid.
So yeah, and so here's a scene where
Yeah, that's a lot better.
I just smacked the hell out of
You
Ashley.
guys all ready to go? And listen, hey.
Jake, you're making me fucking